Does your baby spit up? Are you worried because your baby spits up? Well, you are not alone, because almost every baby spits up. For the most part, it's a nuisance. It means more laundry, but there are times where it might be more than just that nuisance. First of all, let's make sure, is it spit up or is it vomiting? Vomiting is actually when the food doesn't just come on the chin, it actually goes away from the baby. If there's actual vomiting where you see that food go away from the baby, that's more of a concern, and that should probably be looked at by your pediatrician. The second and third most important questions: is your baby happy, and is your baby gaining weight? So babies who spit up, babies who are happy though when they spit up and they're gaining weight, are less of a concern. Again, this might be more laundry for you, but this is part of normal development. It usually peaks at about, let's say, 4 months of life, then tends to get better. So again, we're going to ask about comfort, and we're going to ask about how your baby is growing. The final thing we look at with spit up is timing. Most babies who spit up will spit usually between 6 weeks and 4 months of life. If for some reason spit up starts after that point, 6 months, 9 months, that's not usually normal baby newborn spit up. That could be something different. So if we look at the situation and your baby's spitting up and they're starting to stand, they're starting to walk, that's a different discussion. But again, for the most part, if your baby's spitting up and not vomiting, they're happy, they're gaining weight, we're less concerned. Finally, we're going to look at the color of the spit up. Spit up, let's be honest, is going to look like breast milk and or formula. It should be somewhat clear, maybe with some curdled element. But if we've got red, could that be blood? That's of course not normal. Could it be green? That could be bile or abnormal stomach contents, and that could represent a bigger issue. So red and green may be great Christmas colors, but they're not the things we want to look at with spit up. So, as always, we look at the big picture, and if you have questions about your baby spitting up, are they happy? Are they gaining weight? Are there odd colors? Is it vomiting? We're here to help you through that. Active Kid MD.